I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dentist Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about patient reactivation. An effective technique we use that you can use as well is Facebook. What a lot of people don't know is if you get a list of your inactive patients with their email address and telephone number, you can run that through Facebook and they will tell you how many accounts of your inactive patients you can reach. Once you have that, just design a simple ad that has your logo and maybe "We miss you," and then start reactivating your patients. To learn more about Ramp, give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP or go to rampresults.com.